Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word praised. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The teacher praised the student for their hard work and dedication in completing the project ahead of schedule. Praised means to express admiration or approval for someone's accomplishments or qualities, typically giving positive feedback or recognition. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.